How to buy shares of Coherus Biosciences Inc., ticker CHRS, listed on NASDAQ. Coherus is a biopharmaceutical firm focused on biosimilars and biologic treatments. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy CHRS, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker CHRS to locate Coherus Biosciences Inc. Make sure you select the NASDAQ-listed result to find the correct stock. Open the asset page to review the company summary and the live price chart. Confirm the name, ticker CHRS, and the NASDAQ listing so you are looking at the right share. Click Invest or Buy, choose the amount or number of shares you want, then review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading reopens, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Once executed, your CHRS position will appear in your portfolio and in your open orders. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same steps.